package is here, guys. Turun! Where's the package? Ayun, guys. I saw the package. Exciting. I don't know what is. Hi, guys! Unboxing tayo, guys. From Amazon. I don't know what is this, guys. Oh, wow! Our tripod is here na, guys. Because my tripod is broken. Thank you to my mahal. You order my tripod. Our tripod, guys, is broke. Look like 6 months only. We bought that in Manila. Very quick, no? How many tripod we have na? I think this is 3 times na, guys. Yeah, 3. This is 3 times buying tripod. Hopefully, this is good for 1 year. I don't know if. Oh, this is good. Oh, wow. What is this? I don't know how to figure out this one. My husband figure out this one. And have also this one. I don't know what is this over here. I have like this. Huh? Like this, oh? You mean charging? Why have charging? I think have button you push like that and then you make a selfie. This one, guys. Let's try for it. And the other one is, oh no, what is this? How like that? My husband figure out. And the next, yes, guys. We need to go down this way. This. I'm cooking grits, guys. This one, this is the guy. Cell phone stand and tablet. So that's why if I'm doing live, we can use my tablet or like that. That's the stand. Tablet stand. Oh, this is the this is not that one. We need to assemble this. Oh, this is the cell phone stand and tablet. Carry tablet overhead, guys. And the other one, what is this? This is confusing. What is the and this one? Huh? 2-way charger. What is this so called? Oh, what is this? 2-way charger. No. What is this? USCCC. I don't know what is this one. This is the all-in-one big sheet speaker. Big sheet speaker pala ito, guys. I think this is the clock. Right? Oh, the clock, guys. Because our clock is still working, our clock, but difficult to like fix the can fix the timer. So you mean have a radio, this? Have radio, guys, right? Or radio, you can hear the radio and the timer. Phone charger also have. This one. So this one, all-in-one bed sheet speaker. Charging the phone, listening the music, and I'll figure out later, guys. See you later. Here na guys. Okay. Then please. Use it. Like that. Oh, nice! Because you put in the purse. Oh, going to small. And then I need to go like that. I don't know. This one like that. Should be. This is the old guy, but cannot reset this timer, so my husband bought new. I show you then. It's good thing guys, this one carry to stand the tablet guys. Tablet. Do like this, that's fine. Yeah. Ay, papun na guys. Because we use this guy, oh, I'm doing like, see, like that. So we need to change na guy. Look at that guy. And my flower right there. Look at that. Yeah. So nice. I'll show you guys. Already set na guys. This is the music. Music. On the music.
Service spanning multiple combat operations.
Yeah.
He is also the host of hugely popular The Sean Ryan
And then
Show.
put that guy. Only tap the phone over here guys, and the phone automatic charging. Huh? Look.
This is where he goes in depth, and I mean in depth, with a host of guests for fascinating
Why not charging?
full range of subjects.
TikTok.
Glad to welcome him here in
Oh, charging guy. Oh wow, high tech guy. You tap your phone over here and then charging. Nice.
No, I appreciate it too.
Happy.
It's hard on Memorial Day because it's a solemn.
It's done. Color guy like that. Radio, Bluetooth, phone charging, clock. That's it. And this one you can change and radio. Yan.